Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite maọbụ ikpọọ m Akajiugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ Amosu, that is witchcraft, Amosu operations, and how to avoid it. Amosu operation and how to avoid. I will quote now, as long as you are in this gross material world, now operations of Amosu witchcraft n'ụdị dị iche iche, Amosu mmụọ na Amosu mmadụ is unavoidable. Kama na ihe anyị chọrọ ka anyị kọwala gị bụ ihe ị nwere ike ime ka ị wee chekwaba onwe gị, ka ị ghara ịdaba na nsogbu ndị Amosu, maka na ndị Amosu ka a na-arịa. That the main problem we are facing in this gross material currently Amosu, negative vibrations, whether it's coming from man or it's coming from spirits. You understand? Where you look at it, those bad belly, those wickedness, those are survival of the fittest, those suppression, those are the symptoms of witchcraft. And and I can tell you that those things were the problem. And on earth, if you have not defeated and conquered the spirits of Amosu in all ramifications, you have not started. So have it in mind that these Amosu people have been in existence. And one of the criteria is wickedness in all ramifications. Yes, they buy so many people, even the called ones in the ancient time, because of jealous, envy, and rest of them. So all those things can be covered today. So we are here to explain so many things and also to tell you secret what you must do to avoid them. Yes. So pay attention. This is our teaching today. Before we dive into today's lecture, a important announcement. We are in the month of October. Our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. We started this group rituals for the month over 3 years now. We have massive testimonies. This morning, I have gone to the temple to make declaration upon the lives of the friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission, and consecrated group. That is how we are doing it. Every day, till the last day of the month, we visit the river, on behalf of all. Then we proceed back to the temple, offer sacrifices to entities of powers. Now, Jenebe Juaja, Buebu, Mesaraka, Kekwazie, Dakugiri. That's what I say. So if you are interested in joining our monthly rituals, chat me on WhatsApp. Forward your 3 prayer requests we keep in the altar throughout the month. Chat me on WhatsApp. Then make token donation to the account number. Chat me on WhatsApp. I will tell you other details we need from you in order to book you. WhatsApp number you get me with is 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243871. Look at their screen, you see these numbers. Now let's dive into today's lecture proper. It will not be long. We are here to explain to you that there is this kingdom of darkness, otherwise known on earth. We Igbos call them Amosu, but in English name they are called witchcraft. Yes, witches and wizard. I'm here to tell you that the operation is in 2 dimensions. We have witchcraft attack emanated from humans, and we have witchcraft attack emanated from the spirits. And the signs and the symptoms of witchcraft attack is envy, jealous, name them, pull him down syndrome, oppression, and rest of them. Those things humans or even spirit did against your success, against your progress, to witch hunt you, to pull you down, to ensure that you remain in the same level with them. Yes, it can come from man or woman, it can come from the spirit. But there is something you must do. But bear it in mind that this witchcraft attack, Amosu attack, has been in existence from time immemorial. I will cite some certain things from even the Bible for you to know that it did not start today and it's not going to end today. The only thing you can do is to know how to avoid them. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na ndị nnadi ada agbanara ha n'ọsọ arụ ka a na-akado ha. You match them up. You can't start running away from them because you can't stop. If you start running, where will you stop? Is it the Amosu people, the witchcraft people in your village, your kinsmen that hated you so much for no reason? Yes. Is it witches and wizards, evil people that are there living in the same vicinity in the town where you are living? Is it them you start running after or running for? Is it those Amosu people and wicked people that are your neighbors in where you are doing your business? Be shop, be where you are doing your handwork. So you can see that you can't stop running. You can't stop running if you decide to run. But I can tell you, running is a coward act. What you need to do is to match them up. Eye for eye, tooth for tooth. And you are supposed to be doing something, but you don't know how things work. That's why you keep running. There was a time I was like you. That time I was in with Christendom that time. That time we fear these village people like tomorrow no day. If I go to village meeting, I don't eat cola. I don't wine and dine with them because I'm afraid of them. Yes. But today, today I can't run away from anybody. Break cola, I will eat with you and nothing will happen. Bring your food if you decide to eat, but though I don't eat anyhow. But if I decide to eat, I will eat and nothing will happen. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying in essence is this. You can't run away from them. Remember the story in the Genesis. How Adam killed his brother Abel. Is he not out of jealous and witchcrafting and witch hunting? Because Abel's sacrifice was accepted. By the time somebody is nursing evil, planning evil to harm you, that is witchcraft. That is Amosu. Yes. Out of abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. Before somebody will add some certain act of murder or other things, the person thinks about it, nurture it, and carry it out. So it becomes Amosu attack. So that Amosu attack, remember even the people that said, crucify their Messiah, their Jesus. Is it not Amosu war? Is it the man that has been there doing good for them? They pay him back with murder. Anything people gangster plan against your success to bring you down is Amosu. Those Amosu attack can come from the spirit world. I mean the negative spirit world. I have told you before in my previous teachings. In the spirit world, we have the beings from the light region, from the luminous part, and we have beings from the dark region, from the negative part. So the one that we are operating with you is the one you are attracted onto yourself by actions, deed, and thought. So today I want to talk to you about those ones that emanate from humans out of envy and jealousy. That wickedness, how can you succeed modernly? They begin to look for manipulation. Maybe they consult negative babalawo. Maybe they begin to consult these occult people from the coven, thinking bad, planning evil, which hurting you. Even in business, if you see somebody that your business does not concern, then how you are succeeding in your business will be the person's pain. The person will be thinking, trying to pull you down. Is it not witchcraft attack? Is it not Amosu? When somebody is sitting on your promotion, is it not Amosu? When somebody is planning, arranging with evil men of wonderworld to attack you or to kidnap you, is it not Amosu? Yes, it's out of the abundance of the heart. It's wickedness of man. I can tell you, as long as in this world, you can never please everybody. Some people might hate you because you and them are not doing the same thing. It's coming from the wickedness of the heart. It's coming from hatred. You have not offended them, but they just hate you. Some people are from the dark region. I can tell you, I have said it before, that this world is overpopulated. That some people that are here are not supposed to be here. Most of them are from the dark region. Their work on earth is to cause pain, to pull others down, because where they are coming, where they reincarnated from, is the dark region. So their work is to make people sad. Whenever people are suffering, crying, it makes them happy, because they are from the kingdom of destruction. But what I can tell you is that you can't run away from them. Yes. So better understand it now. Since you know that you can't run away from them, because you will find them anywhere. Anywhere. They were told, there's one adage that says, in every 12 there must be a Judas. Even people you help. Hope you use the story of Jesus as an example. He had 12 disciples. One of them is Judas, the one that even sold him, despite the fact that they are wine and dine in the same place. So I can tell you, even among your friends, there are some people that they are following you, but they hate you. Even on Facebook, social media. The whole thing that all the people that they are following you are your friends. No, far from it. Some of you that are following you are monitoring spirits, waiting for you to fall, waiting for you to make a mistake, a silly post, a silly comment for them to get at you. So know it today that the enemies must be there. So the only way out is for you to do what you're supposed to do. You must have an altar that speaks for you. You must understand how things work. You must understand the importance of having a strong altar beside you, behind you. The altar, your mentor, your spiritualist, your priests that are there monitoring you, watching your back. Very important. Don't say that no one only time I did not offend anybody. Okay, my sister. Oh, there are some people that are sleepless nights thinking about how to bring you down. So stop thinking that I did not offend anybody. So from your own part, do what you're supposed to do, to always stand firm, and do always stand protected. Again, you must understand how things work. One is to build yourself and be strong spiritually. Yes. And don't trust people easily, because sometimes you lose God. That is the problem. Yes. But you go along with your spirit. It's the spirit of discernment we always guide you to tell you the fake people. Again, you live a good life. Never you think evil against anybody. Never you get involved in planning another person's downfall or gossiping about somebody in order to tarnish the person's image. Because by so living negative lifestyle, you are attracting negativity around you. And those negativity will form ring of negativity around you. And once ring of negativity is around you, they will always attract similar vibrations from the negative rains to you. Because you only put there, meaning make sure you are not one of the people that always plan evil against somebody, so that if another person plan evil against you, it will not work. Make sure you keep your hands clean. Make sure you do not soil your hands by committing murder or doing those things that are abomination. Those things that you know that is forbidden, is no. Don't do them. Once your hand is clean, you are building, attracting positive vibrations around you, and they will form the ring of protections. And once they form ring of protection, nothing any man do will get at you, because you already surrounded yourself with positive vibration and good thoughts. So always have good longing, good thoughts, good intention, good actions, and good everything. That is the way out. By so that you'll be able to ward off these negative vibrations and the Amosu attack. All can happen and you feel so that you always care. Can you see ever? In one to Nankuzi about nature about family. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672. I repeat 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243 871. I repeat, 0813-8243-871. Let us pray. Ekwem, ekwem, ekwem. Ekwere m na Chineke. Ekwere m na ọ dịghị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya, n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. May Chukwu nke Africa bless you all now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Go out today, shine and dominate. Jamesian.